This bad idea started a long time ago. Born in Ukraine, raised in Canada, totally normal childhood full of sport, cars, and fun, until one noise changes everything. Moved to Italy at 14 and attend university. At 17, we moved to California to complete our studies. And soon we start working, creating the vehicles we could only dream of as kids. And yet, still, something is missing. In 2019, as the world was in full lockdown, the bad idea takes hold. The half 11. To find our future, we needed to rebuild the past. And against all odds, we somehow built a time machine.
The idea was to take a Formula One car from the 1960s and 70s and merge it with the 911.
After testing, validating, improving, and modifying, we were finally ready. Because the car was built as a tribute to Le Mans, we thought, okay, how cool would it be to go just as far as our heroes went? And now we were embarking on a 3,000-mile trip. This trip was kind of a throwback to a more difficult time, a time where you really had to go find things. It's much more real, it's much more physical. The allure of the unknown. No idea when we would break down, if we would break down, just fueled on pure adrenaline and optimism.
Well, I missed the kick in the big game, failed my driving test, bringing up my money, and I pissed it in the bathroom stall. A man of my disposition should steer clear of alcohol, but if I didn't make bad decisions, I wouldn't make no decisions at all, 'cause I can't do nothing right, and I can't seem to get along. I've forgotten what it looks like on the other side of wrong.
In today's world, it's absolutely insane to build your own car, even madder to take it on a cross-country trip. But one of life's greatest joys is to lose your mind doing what you love. Everyone always asks when the car will be finished, and the answer has always been never.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. My brand new car, my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. My brand new car, my brand new car. Gonna show you how the shifter feels, 'cause tonight is the night that we make it